meiden, you know. Ik ga niet tot de loop Italië, te kennen een wat, dus hoe was je? Ik ga niet tot de loop Italië, ik heb dit top, te kennen me vet, ik ga niet tot de loop
What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, currently right now I'm walking to the shed, to kit, to get a box, and yeah, because today I'm gonna be working on my motorcycle to fix the broken handle that I mistakenly didn't left the bike well on the stand, and it fell and it broke the handle. Y'all can probably go and watch the short video that I posted. I will link it either here or there in the top left or right, or at the bottom. So I need to go get that box with that broken piece in it, because that piece have the locking screw and bolt, and yeah, so that's the one thing I am going to fix today, and plus some other bits on the bike. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon when I'm at the bike, and we will get things started, you know. Catch you guys in a bit. So yeah guys, I'm back again. So I'm back, and like I said, I'm currently at the bike right now. Just took off the cover. I put it there, back there where there's about no one. So this is what I'm gonna be working on. Putting a new handle. Bolt goes in, and then tighten from the bottom, because from the last time I literally bleed the brakes, the master cylinder, the front brakes. Here one, and that one. Yeah, and I literally just drove around and then park right here. Kick it. I didn't. In my head, I thought I put the kickstand on, and the bike fell. Or did I? Oh no, wait. I actually stalled the bike because I was too excited at how achievement that the brake works better than before, and I stalled the bike by falling. The bike fell, and I broke it. So yeah, let me. Okay. So we don't need that. So the only thing we will need, this is the old one I broke. There's another piece here. Yeah. So yeah. So this is the broken brake handle, and this is the bolt and nut that I need, and then put the new one in, and then working on other stuff. Plus also I got another thing, other stuff. But anyway, first things first, let's go work on this handle. And also, I don't know if you guys remember, I was telling you guys that I was replacing the throttle cables, the upper and lower, these two, they're brand new. And also I didn't want to use the old one because it would take a lot of time, so I used this one in the meantime. But now I got new ones for this, and also the pegs, the rear footrest for the passenger. See, this one is like, it doesn't have the groove in it to clear here, and this one I kind of like, you know, forced it, and now, well, yeah, but I'm gonna be fixing that and a couple stuff. So let's get to it. Playing, but yeah, let's get to it. Knock this thing out. So little quick update. this brake handle came loose, or came not assembled as the last one, so I had to literally like put the spring in. I'm currently the piece of this brake handle that goes in here. I gotta assemble it myself, and they came. You can't see it right now. This piece is literally holding a cylinder type metal that literally holds everything together. Yeah, that's literally, I'm literally trying to assemble right now and keep moving forward. So I had to postpone for a while just because it just started to rain. I covered the bike as best as I can. I'm just gonna wait for the rain to pass so I can continue. So the rain kind of stopped a little bit, so now this handle is kind of stuck. I think it happened from the first time I installed the first one. There's paint between these nudges. I just gotta like sand them and make it bare metal, and then this will be okay, but I'll address that later. Now I'm trying to see if these, I think, will fit. I highly doubt it. This is one for this side and one for the other side, and then I'm gonna move. I also ordered these new steps. Also these steps. Yeah, I gotta start hammering, and I'll show you guys the results of the things I changed. So I ran into a bit of a, not problem, it's mostly my problem. I ordered the wrong set, because these rubber, they fit the clutch side well, but if you look at the rear brakes, it's kind of doesn't fit. See the hole, see this? So I could try to like force it or something, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna like rock it one side black and one side red. Be that, you know, that be apart, you know what I'm saying, be different. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna continue on the next few other bits. So the new rear steps I ordered, I had to make this hole of this bracket bigger, so with my drill. So now it's not fully tightened. I just put the pen in just to hold it and to see if it like moves and clears, and now it moves and clears. So now I'm gonna do the other side, and then yeah, you know what I'm saying, let's do it. So I'm gonna give a brief explanation. These are like the side steps for the front. I'm gonna be replacing them with the new ones, and this one is basically this is a spring load. So that spring will make, when you pull it back, it goes back to its normal position. So this the spring, and this one has like like a clip that you like twist to hold it tight. But this one came with a C clamp. So basically, just on the groove, you put the C clamp and it just like locks in, and that's it. So yeah, so basically it's easy to take up, easy to put in. You just need to know what you're doing.
So these are gonna be the new handles that's gonna be going now on the CBR. Yep. Still gonna think what I'm gonna do with the whole fairings and stuff. With the whole fairings, either go with the same scheme or just change it to something different that complements the handles, the rubber step, and the new lights. Yeah, I didn't show you guys. Well, maybe I did. I don't know. I didn't, but yeah. So let's get this installed, and then the last thing on the two things I need to adjust is this seat and the brake. Just gotta, yeah. But let's get to it. So my current situation is that right now I'm just fighting with this handle, but I got something to do for it. But now I'm gonna take this seat off, and I'm gonna literally reupholster it with the new I can't remember the name. Yeah. So yeah, so I've made it to just removing the old seat cover from the seat, and also I have to literally get a better, I don't know what's the name of, I don't know what the name, to reupholster it better. But since I can't continue. I got an appointment, and maybe when I'm finished with my appointment, if the weather's good, if it's still daylight, I can finish the seat and also put the last throttle handle, and then I can, like, the bike is practically, most things are done. Yeah, but I'm gonna get ready to go to the appointment I have, and then I'll come back and continue if there's daylight. I'll keep you guys posted. So yeah, peeps, I'm back home because the appointment was changed for tomorrow. So I took the chance to literally go and buy a better, I don't know what you call this, nail gun or so for this, because the one that my brother have, which is this one, won't cut it. And also I passed and got some oil and sort of stuff for the Honda, which I'm see if how much I can do, or if I'm gonna do something tomorrow to the Honda, but we'll see, because I've got to do some work to that. But anyway, now I'm gonna finish with the whole seat, put it back on, and yeah, and practically the Honda, working on Honda CBR will be done for now. So this is how it is right now. It's not the prettiest, but it will get the job done. And yeah, not my prettiest done. This is my literally the first time I've done this, but it will get the job done. And this looks much more decent compared to let's say to the old one. But yeah, let's put this on and finish the bike. So yeah, I think I'm gonna close off this video, but first things first, let me show you guys everything that I've installed. First off, the handles. This one went on good, but the other one also went, but it has a spacer because it doesn't have this. I have to remove this and this piece so it can go on, but I still put the end piece one. But for now, I just have to live it until I get another one, or it's like, hey, it is what it is. So new brake handle worked fine. Ooh. Maybe I need to pull it back a bit more, but yeah. So the rubber for the clutch, also for the steps. Look at that. Also new rear for passengers. It's got wet now. This is the new seat cover I put on. It gets the job done, like I said. No big deal. And now let's move to the other side. Yeah, these are the two pieces I told you guys about that I have to remove. It is what it is. Other side. Yeah, and this one can't do nothing about it. Just have to use it now. This one's a lot bigger, and I think the previous owner welded up this piece. I don't think this is original, but anyway. Oh yeah, but as far as I know, most of the stuff that I wanted to install is installed. So now, as you guys can see, I'm gonna end this video right here, and I hope you guys just enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.